welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today is a travel day / Universal Studios Hollywood day. It's going to be very interesting and very exhausting, I think. So right now we're on the way to the Phoenix airport, and then I'm going to fly over to LA. My parents are going to pick me up, and then we're going to go straight to Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm kind of wearing what I'm going to wear to the park, but I haven't done my makeup or contacts because when I fly, I want to be super comfortable. So it was really hard packing for this trip. I hope you enjoy. Now let's hear all about it. Guys, we're in the park. It's really loud everywhere I go, so hopefully you can hear me. I'll have to like piece it. My parents are outside, they're figuring out their ticket, so I came in to get a drink and I really have to use the bathroom. And then I'm going to show you my favorite spot to get a drink. Oh wait, my mom's calling. Okay, change of plans, no drink. They need me up there. There's a Grinch thing happening. I thought it was only Florida, but I guess it's everywhere. We'll see. Beetlejuice, but I have no time. No time. I feel like Dwight. Or is it Dwight? Or Michael Scott, when he has no time. This is so cool. It's his actual ornament. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, got the Irishman on vacation. I'm like in the corner. Hold on. I got the Irishman on vacation. I'm like in a corner because it's so loud, it's so busy. Okay, I'm gonna go meet up my parents. And then I think we're doing the tram. So it should be pretty good. Hi! Where are you? I want to see that. Hey. Oh, this way? This way? No. Oh my God. Whatever. Checkpoint. Okay. Look. You have to walk a straight line. I was dancing! So for the tram, you have to pass all of those lines, and then you go all the way to the back, and then you'll see like, this is pretty much the exit, but you'll see like the time to pass through. Alright, you guys, there's on your screen, so a little taste of it's gonna be next what they to Jurassic Park and Transformers. Oh, we can't see inside. Wow.
Anytime it's a metro city set, you can make these buildings look like anywhere in the world, any big city. Coming up on your left, you're going to see a movie theater, one of two movie theaters in this area. This is more of a, timeless 1940s turn of the century theater. Can be used to do anything.
Yeah.
And like a big turn onto actual New York Street.
Sweep you up an inch. I can't literally dazzling. I think you're on board the ship. You're sailing to a lost island. You're encountering monsters and creatures from, you know, prehistoric times.
Is highly poisonous. Do not let it touch your skin. My buddy George is in the water. He likes to dive at night. There's George. Hey George, get out of the water, pal. Oh no! George, you gotta fight back. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. Every time I witness a drowning, I have to fill out a ton of paperwork. So let's just be all. Okay, we'll just hide behind this gas station. From the Alfred Hitchcock movie Psycho, and up to your right you'll get a very good shot of the Psycho house. That's because that's all the camera saw. We didn't need to build more than that. Anytime that they were inside the house, they were actually shooting in Soundstage 21, which we saw earlier. If you get real keen eye, you might be able to see Mother up in one of the windows. Norman Bates is up. That Psycho behind will head into more of the worlds. This is the set from War of the Worlds by Steven Spielberg. That is a real 747 that they've got for filming.
Alright you guys, we did the studio tour. It was really cute. At night. I recommend it at night. Really fun. I'm the Backttalk guys! Hey! Oh, I should have put my beer there. No, I live in Arizona.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I come visit, I'm like, oh, I might as well go to the parks and film.
Perfect place to do it.
Yeah. Alright, I have to go to the restroom.
Okay.
You know. Bye.
If he bows back, you're allowed to touch him. If he doesn't bow, then get away from him.
choice between the two of you, I'd take... Good evening, good evening. I am Augustus Mayhew, the mayor of Whoville. A standing ovation for me? Please, please, keep your seats.
Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch who lived just north of Whoville did not. The Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant.
Okay, okay. I can hear you. It's that guy's fault.
The Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant around the whole room, and he took every present.
But I stole all your Christmas. I stole all your toys.
Silly Mr. Grinch. Those are just things. Christmas is about being together.
The Grinch puzzled and puzzled till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas doesn't come from a star. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more. Welcome Christmas! Bring your cheer! Cheer to all rooms far and near.
Christmas Day will always be, just as long as we have we.
As the mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree!
Everyone count from 1 to 3. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3!
Uh-oh. Wait! I forgot one little thing. And here we go! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
Hi you guys, Merry Grinchmas or Happy Anything or Everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog at our afternoon at Hollywood Studios, or maybe evening. My favorite part was definitely the Harry Potter show and the tram tour at night. We had a really good time. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions about Hollywood Studios or any of that. And then don't forget to subscribe, it really helps out my channel. And until next time, adios.